Having a loud horn strobe like this in a small bathroom is really not a good idea, and might even be against code. Today, I'm going to show you why that is. Let's get started. Hey everybody, what's going on? So today, in my hand, I have two devices. They are both spectral advances, but the difference between the two is that one is a remote strobe and one is a horn strobe. Now, the difference between that is this one is just a strobe light, and this one has a very loud, obnoxious horn, as well as the strobe light. Now, as a general, unofficial rule of thumb, where fire alarm installers choose to install a horn strobe versus a remote strobe depends on the type of space that needs coverage. One of the primary applications for remote strobes is restrooms. Now here's why. Restrooms are small and contain material like tile and metal, making the space very acoustically vibrant. So you set one of these little firecrackers off in there, things can get a bit spicy. So as a widely accepted practice and possibly a building code guideline, I'm not sure on that one, you don't put a horn strobe in a small restroom. You just don't. It's like your grandma asking you to help her plant 10 or so small lilies in her garden. So you roll up to Granny's with an excavator. It's just, no. So when us fire alarm installers see a horn strobe stuck in a bathroom out in the field, we laugh at it not just for the potty humor aspect, but also because we know it's going to be really loud the next time Cole burns popcorn. It's taboo. You just don't. No. Never. You should never even try. Which is exactly what we're going to do today. We have a horn strobe. We have a restroom behind there. Let's see what happens. Neighbors, you got a big storm coming. Alrighty, so we have the camera set up and we have our horn strobe up there. This is a Spectre Alert Advance. It happens to be the loudest horn strobe sold in the United States. So this will be a pretty good test. And we have our decibel meter ready to go. So let's go ahead and give this a roll. Wow, that was pretty crazy. We got a max reading of 114.6 decibels. That is very loud and definitely loud enough to damage hearing if you're exposed to it for a long period of time. To give you some context, a loud rock concert is usually about the same decibel level as this. We're going to go ahead and get a couple more takes so we can get an average reading. So on average, this was around 114 decibels, which, if caught without hearing protection, can be pretty damaging to your hearing. So that is why installers choose to put in remote strobes in the bathrooms. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video, and with that being said, like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel.